Hi, my name is Kingston.
And my name is Micah.
And today we're going to be teaching you how to make some paper airplanes. Let's go. First one I'm going to be doing the basics. So first, you fold it like, you fold it in half. So you take this end all the way to the other end. Try evening it out like this. So because you want them to make it pretty exact.
And then we cross this piece here.
And we open it up, and cross
We
this
follow
piece.
the line here. And then we do the same thing here. And then we fold it again here.
Mm-hmm.
And then another way. And then again here.
Okay, and then after that, you want to fold these two and then bring them together like this. And then you kind of want to even out the tip to make it look pointy. And then just try creasing it like this.
And then we bend it.
And then
Bend it back like this.
perfectly. Yeah, bend the wing back to make it even like this. And then you got a cool paper airplane.
Yeah.
Cool paper airplane.
And then we fold it like this if your tip's not that good.
Yeah, and it flies even better pretty much.
You want to see? Okay.